In today's video, I will show you how to quickly close all open tabs in Google Chrome on your Android device. To begin, open the Chrome app on your phone. Once the app is open, locate and tap the tab switcher icon at the top of the screen. This is the small square button that shows the number of tabs you currently have open. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on the three dots to open the menu. From the options provided, select Close All Tabs. A confirmation prompt will appear at the bottom of your screen to ensure you want to proceed. Simply click Close All Tabs and Groups to confirm. This will instantly clear your workspace and close every open tab and group at once, helping your browser run more smoothly. And that's it. That's how you quickly close all open tabs in Google Chrome on Android. Thank you for watching.